Hello class, today I'm going to do my book presentation on the book called The Boy Who Spoke to the Earth. It's by Chris Burkard and illustrated by David McClellan. And it is a picture book, and I recommend this for all ages, and the youngest being 2. And I would like to read just a little piece of it to you and explain why I like it. There once was a boy who spoke to the earth. And the earth spoke back. Earth, are you listening? My boy, I'm always listening. Where can I find happiness? The journey to happiness is difficult, but I can show you the way, said the earth. And so the earth takes him on this journey to find happiness, and he goes through multiple different places that the earth tells him to. So this is just one place the earth has told him to visit, which is the ocean. And so I really like this book because here you can see just a portion of the ocean, and the boy keeps going on his journey, and I don't want to spoil the ending, but I do want to show you a picture, which is why I fell in love. So towards the end of the book, it gives you pictures of where the boy visited, but full pictures with no words, in full pages. And that's something that really made me fall in love with this book, is because of the message it had. To me, it was the almost gospel message, where that kind of like us speaking to our Heavenly Father, or praying to our Heavenly Father, trying to find happiness, needing something, His help, guidance. And I kind of replaced Heavenly Father in my mind with the earth. And the boy could be boy, girl, yourself. This is like story to me was like, I put myself in the boy's shoes, and kind of read the book about like me asking Heavenly Father, like, help me find happiness, and kind of go along with the story and read the story. I would like to share a really fun fact that I found here in the back of the book. The illustrator, David McClellan, first learned to draw mountains and trees while he was growing up near Portland, Oregon. He was inspired by the beauty of the Pacific Northwest. He later earned his Bachelor's of Fine Arts in Illustration from Brigham Young University. And he now currently lives in Utah with his family. So I also think that there was meant to be a gospel message in this book because of the man who illustrated it. Now, I don't think that the author is necessarily a part of our church, but I think that the illustrator had a large influence in the way this was written, and the way the pictures are captivating and colorful. They catch your eye, and they're just really beautiful and make you think and take a look at what is around us, and makes you stop and think about our earth. And so this is one of my new favorite books as of recent, and I hope you all can find it and read it because it's a really great read. And thank you for watching.